Hi, good morning. Good morning, grade 4 pupils of Samalihon Elementary School. And again, welcome to our class today. And our lesson for today is all about fractions. This time is mathematics na punta, no? Kaya naman to sa science. So this is the last topics of our lessons in mathematics. So we will be talking about fractions this morning, okay? So now let's go and let's start the lesson. Okay, so what is fraction? In mathematics, fractions are represented as a numerical value which defines a part of a whole. So when we say about fraction, when we talk about fraction, it means na dili siya usa, kung dili part lang siya sa usa ka buok. Now, if you have a number from 0 to 10, wala diha si fraction. Because fraction is just part of the whole. Part of a whole. So, if you have one whole, okay, then imo nang pikas-pikason, ang isa ka pikas ana, mo na gitawag nato nga fraction. Okay, a fraction has two parts. The number above and the number below. So, kanang number na naa sa imabaw, gitawag siya og numerator. Again, numerator. Ang number sa ubos, gitawag siya og denominator. Again, denominator. These two numbers here, nasa imabaw ug nasa sa ubos, it represent different parts. Okay? Ang numerator, it represents the shaded part. So, there is akong example sa kilid. Ang one whole, akong gibahin-bahin o kaupat, akong gishada ng isa. So, that's the numerator. Karon, the denominator is the number of equal parts. So, the number of equal parts. Kung kapila nimo siya gipahin. Now, in this case here at the left, kaupat man nato siya gibahin equally the number of equal parts. So, 4 siya diha. So, using the example given, we can draw an illustration for this fraction wherein the number is 4/7, right? So, ato siyang bahinon og kapito. So, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wala siya nabahin. Kadyot lang. Kinahanglan bahin din siya. Okay, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7. And siya is 7. Then, I will going to shade. 4 is the shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is the 4/7 representation of this fraction. No? So, 4/7. Okay. I hope you understand. Now, fractions. We have here some example of fractions. So, again, remember na ang imabaw is the shaded part. Katong gikuluran. Ang ubos, that is the number of equal parts. Kung kapila nimo siya gibahin. So, for figure number 1 here, This fraction, makaingon ka na, this fraction is, okay, so again, let's go back to our lesson, no? This is the example of some fractions. Now, in here, you can see 6 figures or 6 drawings, 6 illustration of fractions. So, ang isa ka buok nga circle, gibahin-bahin. Lahi-lahi siya og bahin. So, in the first figure, we can see that it is divided into 4. So, okay, it is divided into 4. The denominator for this fraction is 4. And the shaded part is 1. So, this is 1/4. How about figure number 2? What do you think this fraction called? Again, ang imabaw, the shaded part, ang ubos, the number of equal parts. So, first, ato sang i-count ang shaded part. 1, 2. So, that's 2. Equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, that's 2 eighths. What about figure number 3? Can you tell what fraction is this? Let's count the shaded part first. 1, 2, 3. 3. And the number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 3/12. So that's the name of the fraction. Now this time, the figure number 4. Can you tell me what is this fraction? Count the shaded part and then count the equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5. Number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that is 5/20. Now, can you tell me what fraction is this? Okay, so this fraction is 4/16. Now, can you also tell me what fraction is this? Okay, so this is 6/24. Okay, now let's proceed to the next. Okay, there are 3 types of fractions. Na daghang classes of fractions. The first type of fraction is the proper fraction. In proper fraction, the denominator is bigger than the numerator. Again, the denominator, ang ubos nga number, is bigger than its numerator kaysa imabaw. So here, in an example, 5, 7. Si 5, gamay. Si denominator, dako. So, gamay imabaw, dako ang ubos. That fraction is called a proper fraction. Another one. When we say improper fractions, bali siya. Dako ang imabaw, gamay ang ubos. So, dako si numerator, gamay si denominator. This is called, again, improper fraction. Improper kung dako ang imabaw, gamay ang ubos. For example, 4/3, 5/2, and 8/5. Okay. We also have a unit fraction. Kaning unit fraction, ang iyang denominator, ang iyang numerator, I mean, is 1. So, unit fraction. We have another example of, we have another type of fraction here. Another one is the unit fraction. A unit fraction has always 1 as numerator. So, ang iyang numerator permanently 1. So, pag makita kang fraction na ang 1, ang iyang imabaw is 1, regardless kung saan ang ubos diha, it is called a unit fraction. And the fourth type of fraction is what we call the mixed fraction or mixed number. In a mixed fraction, there is a whole number and a proper fraction. Example, 2 and 1/2. So, naay whole number, og naapod siya proper fraction. This is proper fraction because the numerator is smaller than its denominator. So, ang mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a fraction. So, pwede po kami ingon have 1 and 7, 8. Or you can also say it's 3 and 1/5. It's still a mixed fraction. A combination of whole number and a proper or unit fraction. Now, we also have like and unlike fractions. Unsa maning like and unlike fractions? In like and unlike fractions, it's a group of fractions. So, grupo sila sa mga fractions. Pero, in alike fractions, sorry, like fractions only. In like fractions, the denominator are the same. The denominators are the same. Okay? So, bahalang nagkalinlain na ilang imabaw, basta ang ilang ubos, the same, pareha, grupo sila, it could be a group of 2, 3, they are called like fraction. Pero pag dili sila pareha og ubos, denominator, they are called unlike fractions or also known as dissimilar fraction. Kay dili man sila pareha, dissimilar. Kung similar sila, pareha sila, gitawag sila og similar fraction or like fraction. Okay? Now, let's go to another one. We have here an activity. Now, write whether the following sets of fractions are like or unlike. So, you tell me, like ba na or unlike? In number 1, what do you observe in their denominators? In number 1, na siya denominator na 9, 5, o 7. So, naglahi-lahi sila. So, this group of fraction is called unlike. Number 2, pareha sila na ay 3 as their denominators. So, this group of fraction is called like fraction. Okay, another one. Number 3, lahi gihapon sila, no? Ay 3, na ay 4, or na ay 2. So, this fraction is an like fraction. Number 4, they have the same denominator. So, this group of fraction is called like fraction. Number 5, na sila'y pareha nga denominator. So, this group of fraction is like fraction. Well, number 6, dili sila pareha denominator. So, this group of fraction is called unlike fraction. I hope this lesson is clear na atay. Okay, this time, another type of fraction we're going to talk about. This is the equivalent fraction. So what is an equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions are the fractions that are represent the same value after they are simplified. So this equivalent fraction are parihara daw, kung i-drawing siya, parihara siya kadak-a, pero lahi ang number. Okay? So in equivalent fraction, we can multiply both the numerator and the denominator of a given fraction by the same number. Or we can divide both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. So I'll give you an example. Now let's find an equivalent fraction of 6/8. Sa ingon dire, we can multiply both numerator and denominator. So kung i-multiply nato nag 2, kung 2 po dire, we can get a fraction of 12/16. So 12/16 and 6/8 are equivalent fractions. Pwede po ta daw mag-divide. So kintahay namin kung 6/8 mag-divide ko og 2 dire imabaw, mag-divide po kog 2 sa ubos. We can get 3/4. So 6/8 and 3/4 are equivalent fractions. Okay? So we have here an illustration of equivalent fractions, no? Here, makita nato, gishada nato ang 1 whole. Tunga nato kas natay illustration sa 1/2. Karon, ang katong 1/2 gitunga pagyud nato siya, nahimo na siyang 2/4. Pero kung imong tan-awon parehara sila kadak-a, no? Gitunga lang nato. Mas lidako yang number kay kadaghan nato siya gitunga-tunga. And dire po sa 3/6 the same ra gihapon. Kung imo siyang tan-awon, katunga ra siya ang gishadan, katunga sa whole. Pero ang number lang na utro sa iyang fraction kay gitunga-tunga man nato sila. So maunay concept sa equivalent fraction. Although they have different numbers, different numerators, and different denominators, but their illustration shows they are the same or equal. Parehara sila kadak-a. Okay? So, yeah. Darita sa another example of equivalent fraction. So, kaning 2/3. Drawingan na to na katulo siya gibahin. Shade ng duha, that's 2/3. Pero, dire sa ikaduha nga figure, gibahin na siyang kaunom. But imong tan-awon, the same ra, oh. The same. The same ra siya kadak-a. Didako lang ang numbers because they are divided more. Daghan sila ng bahin-bahin, kadaghan siya pikas-pikas. The same as well to figure number 3. Pag mo siya tan-awon sa illustration, pareha na siya kadak-a. Pero kagmay lagbahin na, no? Kaning 8, 12. So 2/3, parihara sa 4, 6, o parihara kadaka sa 8, 12. You can observe they have different numbers, but they are equal when you draw it. Equal. Parihara kadako, equal silang tulo. Okay. So, another one. Mo na to siya, no? Nanatay, pila to ka kuan dito, pila to ka type of fractions. Proper fraction, gamay ang imabaw, dako ang ubos. Improper fractions, dako ang imabaw, gamay ang ubos. Another one is the unit fraction. Ang unit fraction, ang iyang numerator is always 1. 1/7, 1/8, at ganyan. Another one is the mixed fraction or mixed improper to mixed number. So, di ba, we already discussed na there are type of fraction. One is the improper and the other one is the mixed number. So, in the illustration, you can see na si improper fraction is the same ra ni mixed number. Okay? So, diri sa improper fraction, ibahin na itong tagduha kay ang denominator is 2 man. So, we divided a whole number into 2 and then we shade the 3 parts. So, gibahin siya, no? So, naay duha ka whole. The other one is fully shaded and the other one is katunga lang ang shade. And sa mixed number, na po tayo representation dire. Ang isa wala tunga. Pero kung imo siyang tan-awon, parehas na equal sila. Parehas na kadako. No? So, that is why improper can be converted to mixed number and vice versa. Pwede po si mixed number i-convert into improper fraction. But how? Saan man nato na pagbuhat? To convert improper to mixed number, we just simply, step 1, divide the numerator with the denominator. So, if you can remember, improper fraction, mas dako ang numerator kaysa denominator. So, we just simply divide it. 15 divided by 7, that's 2. Kanang 2, mauna ang whole number. O kanang 1, remainder nga 1, mauna atong himuon na numerator. And then, we copy the denominator. So, to sulayan ha. Another example, let's say, 8/3. So, unsaon to? Divide numerator by its denominator. So, 8 divided by 3. So, that is 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then, we have remainder. Natay remainder nga 2. Si 2, maunay himuon na to numerator. And then, we copy the denominator. So, equals to 2 and 2/3. Okay. So, we have another example here, how to convert improper to mixed number. So, 14/3. Divide 14 divided by 3. 4 ang answer. 4 times 3 equals 12. Natay remainder nga 2. So, ang 2 mahimong numerator. And then, we copy the denominator. So, na mixed number na siya. So, balihon na po nato. This time, let's convert mixed number to improper. How are we going to do it? We just simply multiply the denominator to its whole number. So, gimultiply na to si 8 nga to sa 3. Then, ang numerator i-plus. Okay? So, 8 times 3, that is 24. Diba? 24 plus 2, that is 26. And then, you copy the denominator. Another example, convert improper fractions into mixed number. So, we have 8 and 1/2. Multiply numerator to whole number and add the numerator. So, 8 times 2 times 8 equals 16. 16 plus 1, you get 17. And then you copy the denominator. Okay? I hope nakuha ninyo to. So now let's try this one. Okay. So this is another lesson. Adding and subtracting similar fractions. In here, we just simply i-add lang nato ang numerator, then copy the denominator. So, 2 plus 3, that's 5. Kopyahon ang denominator. The same ra gihapon aning uban. Whole number i-add, 1 plus add and subtract similar fractions. So remember, similar fractions are fractions or group of fractions that has the same denominator. Pareha ani. 2, 6 and 3, 6. Okay? So in adding or subtracting similar fractions, we just simply add or subtract the numerator and then copy the denominator. So we have here example 2, 6 plus 3, 6. So that's 2 plus 3, 5. And then kopyahon ang denominator. So the common denominator is 6. So the answer is 5, 6. Kung mixed number, make sure also that the denominators of their proper fractions are the same. Kay dili ta pwede mag-add of fractions nga dili pareha og denominator. Always remember, dili ta pwede mag-add or mag-subtract of fractions na dili sila pareha og denominator. Okay, so direct, in this case, pareha man sila, 15, 15. I-add ang whole number first. 1 plus 2, that is 3. And then, add the numerators. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And then, copy the denominator. Easy, di ba? Easy ra kayo. Okay, here. Are they the same? Are they like fractions? Yes, they are. Kaya pareha sila o denominator. So, we just simply add the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then, copy the denominator. Kopyahon ra ang denominator. That's 3, 9. Okay. After adding the denominators and the numerators, there is also one important process that you need to undertake, no? Natoy gitawag nato og find the lowest term. Now, in finding the lowest term, we can, example, we have answered 3, 9. In finding the lowest term, we just simply find a number that can divide the numerator and the denominator. Example, 3, 9. Sa number na makadivide ng 3 o sa 9. The same number ha. So, pwede siya ma-divide og 3. Pwede po siya ma-divide sa 3. So, kung ano siya mag-divide sa imabaw sa ubos, dapat pareha lang. So, 3 divided by 3, that's 1. And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So, this is the lowest term. Now, the lowest term, if you can notice, it is a unit fraction. The lowest term. See, 1, 3, 1/3, and the 3 9s are equivalent fractions. But this is a very important process in adding, that after adding the fractions, you need to find its lowest term. Okay? So, now let's have an activity. And okay, we have adding and subtracting similar and dissimilar fractions. Dili lang sa taning dissimilar, kaya di ba dili ta pwede mag-plus or mag-minus kung dili sila parihag denominator. Okay, number 1, 7, 9 minus 3, 9. Pwede tama ka minus? Yes, we can. Kaya pareha sila denominator. So, 7 minus 3, that's 4. Then, copy the denominator. Can we do 3/4 minus 3 2/3? No, we can't. Kaya dili sila pareha. Oh, I will make another video for that. 9, 10 plus 3, 10. Pwede? Yes, pwede sila. So, 9 plus 3, that's 12 over 10. Okay. 7/8 minus 5/6. Pwede dili. No, we cannot. Okay? Dili sila pareho. Okay, I'm here. So again, another type of fraction is the like and unlike fractions. So like and unlike fractions. So these fractions are based on their denominator. Kay kung pareha o denominator ang ubos, a group of fractions na pareha o denominator, then these fractions are like, or also called as similar fractions. Okay? Nako tagitawag unlike fraction. Unlike fractions are fractions whose denominator are not the same. Dili pareha o denominator. Just like this. Dili lahi-lahi iya. 4, 5, and 6. So this group of fraction is unlike, or pwede nato siya tawagong dissimilar fraction. Now, another topic we discuss is how to convert fraction improper to mixed number. In improper to mixed number, 7 over 5, let's say 7, 5, convert to mixed number, we just simply divide 7 divided by 5. We have 1, 5, and then the remainder becomes the numerator, 2. We copy the denominator. Okay? Let's do the the opposite. Mix to improper. So in doing this, we just simply multiply and add, right? For example, 2 and 3/5. We multiply the denominator and the whole number. 5 times 2, that's 10, plus the numerator, that is 13. 10 plus 3, that's 13. Then copy the denominator. Okay. Adding similar fractions. Adding. So again, in adding the fractions, we cannot add numbers with different denominators or unlike fractions. We can only add fractions with the same denominator. We can add the different denominators, but uh, it needs another process. So sa karon similar lang sa ta. Similar fractions. So we have 1, 5 plus 2, 5. That is how to do it. Add the numerator, 1 plus 2, 3, and then copy the denominator. Another one, 7, 6 minus 3, 6. So again, only add or subtract the numerator and then copy the denominator. 7 minus 3, that's 4. Copy the common denominator. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So, in adding dissimilar fractions, that's another video because it's a long process. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. Um, lowest term. How to get the lowest term. So, in lowest term, we will look for a number that can divide the numerator and the denominator. Not all fractions can be turned into lowest term. Only this fraction that can be divided by a number, both the numerator and denominator, just like this. We can divide it by 4. So 4 divided by 4, that's 1. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So 4/8 divided by 4. Actually, the 1/2 and the 4/8 are also equivalent fractions. Okay? So I hope you learned many things today, and I will follow the activity sheets later. Thank you for watching, and